Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best RV shower head that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the PIH High Pressure RV Handheld Shower Head Unit. This shower head is specifically designed for RVs. It is also the cheapest option you will find, making it suitable as a replacement unit for a broken shower head. This is a high-pressure shower head. Thus, you can experience an instant increase in water pressure as soon as you replace your current shower head with the PIH High Pressure RV Handheld Shower Head. Apart from that, you will also get a pause setting on the PIH High Pressure RV Handheld Shower Head to allow you to stop the water flow instantly to save water. You can also adjust the water pressure as per your requirement thanks to the massage setting. The PIH High Pressure RV Handheld Shower Head comes with a 59 inches long hose along with all other accessories that you will need for installation. Moving on at number 4, we have the ETL 26781 White Body Spa Oxygenics Shower. This is a white body shower head that looks good in almost every single bathroom setup. Furthermore, it comes with a 60 inches long hose so you can use this shower head without any problem. This is also a rather larger unit measuring up to 11.9 by 6.3 by 4.5 inches in size. The ETL 26781 comes with patented Oxygenics technology that manages to increase the oxygen content in your water while increasing the pressure for the best experience. You also get adjustable water pressure settings with the ETL 26781 offering soft to stimulating water pressure levels. ETL guarantees zero clogging problems with the ETL 26781 since it is made up of high-quality material. You will also have a limited lifetime warranty on the ETL 26781. At number 3, we have the Camco 43712 RV Shower Head with on/off switch. This is a simple and affordable RV shower head that is suitable for compact installations. The unit itself measures about 10 by 7 by 1 inches in size and is about 9 inches long that can be easily tucked away when it is not in use. It also has an on/off switch that lets you pause the water flow anytime you want. The head of the Camco 43712 measures about 4 inches in diameter so that you will get a decent water discharge from the unit. Apart from the on/off option, you also get 5 additional spray patterns varying from drenching rain to a gentle massage, making it better than many other premium choices. You will also notice rubber spray tips with the Camco 43712 that allow ease of cleaning and maintenance. At number 2, we have the Dura Faucet DFSA 130 WTRV Economical Shower Head. If you are still looking for a compact RV shower head, then the Dura Faucet DFSA 130 will be a great option for an RV shower head. It is also a highly economical option since it features many attractive qualities within an affordable price range. It has a 60 inches hose included with the set that makes it perfect for RVs. And if you are particular about color, you shouldn't worry since the Dura Faucet DFSA 130 is available with 7 color options. The Dura Faucet DFSA 130 shower head is designed with an easy grip base that prevents the shower head from slipping from wet hands. You also get a water-saving trickle valve switch that allows you a quick change in the water pressure to save water. Overall, the product is made up of premium-grade synthetic resins, making it completely safe from corrosion and fading. And finally at number 1, we have the RV shower head with hose. The Alife RV shower head is also a great option in terms of performance and the build quality. It also has an on/off switch similar to many other options mentioned on this list so far. It offers ample water saving along with options for high water pressure if needed. On top of that, it also has a chrome finish, making it appear just like standard bathroom accessories. There are 6 different color options available for the Alife RV shower head so that you will get the best option per your liking. With the Alife RV shower head, you will be able to save up to 0.35 GPM water. It also comes with a 60 inches long double connector metal hose which is completely leakage-free and suitable for outdoor usage. There is a 1-year money-back guarantee on the Alife RV shower head if you don't find the product useful. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.